Good morning, good afternoon everyone. Hope we've all had a wonderful weekend. Happy Monday. This is the 15 minute. I like to check the 15 minute for a bias. Bullish bias in the short term, maybe ranging, but we will see. Let's go back down to the 3 minute. First of all, we'll identify support and resistance. We've got our support and resistance drawn in. Let's now go ahead and draw a trend line. I'm going to start it from here. It looks like we were ranging a little bit here, and then this looks like it's where we started to choose a direction, so I will start from here. I usually like to start from the low, from the wick, rather than the bottom of the body. That's just my preference. We have high impact European news, which tends to have little to no effect on this currency pair. Looks like we are rejecting quite strongly. Looks like we're getting one leg. We might get a break, maybe a higher low. I'd be happy to take a higher low as well. So we just want to scalp 2 of these squares. That's all. We're not asking for a lot. But with it being a Monday, I will be waiting for good signal bars. Definitely dialing back the aggression today. Quite liking this. I'm interested in buying at this point. Want the EMA to hold again. Now we are looking for second entry along. Hopefully we push above the EMA, above this resistance area, and then find it as support. That would be ideal. The EMA is rejecting consistently. This resistance level is holding. I wanted to short, but I just wasn't sure how to enter. Anyway, it's gone without me. Am I still expecting a new high? Yeah. So just to keep you guys updated, never got a new high. We got first entry long. In fact, really technically this is the first entry long, but anyway. Then we got a lower high here. So that would have been a good entry for me. And my strategy and my aggression, no. If I wasn't following my strategy, then yes, it would have been tempting, and obviously you can see it worked. And then I can see we got continuation, so I drew a new trend line. Then we got a reaction off the EMA. This would have been a good short actually. Rejection 1, 2, 3 times. 1, 2, and then that was actually, it did wick above the previous candle, I think, and then rejected, so that is actually a good entry. Don't know what I was doing. So now we've had a break, new low, which actually is looking more like overshoot, so seems to be a little bit of a range between this level and like this level. Maybe let's draw some support here. That combined with the overshoot, I am expecting perhaps a reversal. It's fairly neutral, fairly sideways price action. It's quite a large range, so I'll have to play it by the tighter trading channels. I'm going to read this as overshoot. This was one leg down. I'm not expecting a second leg, to be honest. I'm more leaning to the side of a reversal. Let's see if we get a break new high. Because we traded down so heavily, I'm not in a rush to long. I liked this. I was just hesitant. First entry short. This will be a second entry short actually. Don't know if we quite reached 10 pips. I'd take a lower high, rejecting off the EMA, off this resistance. Let's see how it closes. So I jumped in quite like this, but I just took my time. I missed the opportunity. So when I noticed that price is just stalling, not able to break above the EMA or this area of resistance, I just thought I'll go ahead and place the trade. You just gotta go with what you're reading on the markets. I mean, we've already got a new low, so I'm hoping for some continuation. It was getting a little bit rangy, but I just feel like there's bearish pressure. There is bearish pressure in my opinion, and I'm just looking for some continuation. If I don't reach my sort of take profit in the first attempt, then usually I find that I get stopped out. So I'm still toying with my strategy, but ooh, we had a bit of a gap there between the closure and the opening. Let's see if we can get another push. That'd be good. Getting a bit of stalling. I'd rather close my position, I think. I just hate when it stalls like this. I've been hit a few times. Okay, perfect. Quick scalp. And I'm going to call it a day. I know I was in a rush, guys, and I know you're not supposed to move your take profit, but, you know, I've been sat at the charts for 2 hours. It does get to me a little bit, and it's like, especially because I missed these 2 earlier trades. There was this one, which would have been aggressive, but still good. And then there was this entry, which was less aggressive. I was just slow to react. And then there was this one, which I was slow to react again. Let me just take what I can get and get out the market. So need to work on my trading mentality, but with it being a Monday, Mondays are not my strong days. They are my, actually, I usually don't trade on a Monday, but when we've actually got decent price action, I will trade. And everything that I'd read up to this point, I was fairly accurate. So yeah, happy with today. Hope you've all had a wonderful trading day, and hopefully catch you tomorrow on the next one.